Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make this skirt. It's a calf length skirt and it's part of my Swedish traditional ensemble. Before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com to download patterns B and E from my 18-inch doll clothes links. This pattern is designed to fit 18-inch dolls, 45 centimeters approximately. Cut out 2 pieces of black fabric like you see here. Hem the thicker of the 2 fabrics, so the one that's a little bigger. Gather the waist of the skirt. And here you see my gathers. If you need help with gathers, there's a link below this video on YouTube to my gather tutorial. Pin the waistband to the gathered skirt. Here's how it looks from the other side when you pin the waistband to the skirt. I don't tie off my gathers until after I've pinned. Stitch the waistband to the skirt where you pinned. Fold the waistband back like this. Here's the other side. Hem the top half of just the side of the skirt from the middle to the waistband. So you want to double fold it and hem. Now you're ready to fold the waistband over and stitch it down. So here we have the side, and I fold my waistband once and then a second time. And then I'm ready to whip stitch the waistband. Now if you need help with the whip stitch, there's a tutorial and you'll find a link to my tutorial below this video on YouTube in the description. When you get to the other side of the waistband, you need to hem that side edge too. So once again, you would start at the middle and you would do a little whip stitch along that side hem until you get up to the top. Now the waist plus the sides are hemmed. Fold the skirt in half, so you're bringing it together with right sides together. Stitch from the halfway point down to the bottom hem down where the doll's calves would be, and you're ready to invert the garment. Here I am inverting. Attach some snaps and away you go. You're ready to try it on your doll. For more free printable sewing patterns and tutorials, remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com.